gonna do this? What's this? What?
What do you mean, what?
What are you wearing?
It's 102 in the middle of summer, and
cares?
you're wearing a fleece jacket.
It's not a jacket, it's
I don't care if
a
it's a
sweatshirt.
sweatshirt or a jacket. What are you doing, dude? We were supposed to do a Moses and Moses side by
I like
side
it.
so we can answer some questions on the camera.
It's not my fault.
You're gonna make me lose my train of thought.
I don't care how hot it is outside. Feels
You
good
don't
on
see
me.
a problem in this. You don't see a problem with what you're wearing.
I will go outside and I'll put my hands in the pockets, just like this, and I'll wear gloves.
Go outside.
And I'll stand in the heat.
Go work outside. We'll just try again
Whatever.
later on. How about that one, okay?
Yeah, I guess we will do this later on. I don't know. Fine.